Truemax stationary pump SP50.10.60D. Core components are included. High-pressure S-valve powerful Deutz engine. Rexrock oil pump Eden oil tubes. Rugged delivery cylinders and wired remote control. The electric control system can ensure perfect control, performance convenient, and operate and maintain. It is ideal for long-distance pumping in high-rise buildings, urban and rural buildings, highways, water conservancy, bridges, and other civil constructions. Truemax stationary pump series provides exceptional convenience to meet in various applications of the most demanding jobs. For more details, please visit www.truemax.cn.